Hello students, welcome to Deepa Lakshmi Science Academy. So today's class we are going to deal with the numerical problems of 12th standard physics, unit 4, electromagnetic induction and alternating current. So coming to the book back numerical problem, question number 6. An induced current of 2.5 milliampere flows through a single conductor of resistance 100 volts. So find out the rate at which the magnetic flux is cut by the conductor. So first you can take and write the datas given. So given data. So an induced current of 2.5 milliampere. Therefore, capital letter I is equal to 2.5 milliampere. This milliampere could be converted into ampere. That means you will have to multiply the given value with 10 power minus 3. Okay, so 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 ampere flows through a single conductor of resistance value is given. So R is equal to 100 ohms. Now find out the rate at which. So rate at which the magnetic flux is nothing but d psi b by dt. So you have to find the rate at which the magnetic flux flows. So how to find the rate? So for this we have a formula. Induced EMF is equal to d psi b, the magnetic flux rate at which the magnetic flux flows, d psi b by dt. So consider this as equation number 1. Also we have another formula for induced EMF where E is equal to I into R. So now you can compare equations 1 and 2. So when you're comparing equations 1 and 2, the left hand sides are same, it can cancel. So right hand side becomes like d psi b by dt is equal to I into R. So here you can substitute the values of I and R. So 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 100. So 2.5 into 100 becomes 250 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So again this 10 to the power of minus 3 can be considered as milli. Okay, 10 power minus 3 can be written as milli. So the answer is the rate at which the magnetic flux flows is d psi b by dt is equal to 250 milli Weber per second. So the unit of magnetic flux is Weber per second. So this is the answer. So hope you all have understood this problem. So if you like this channel, kindly subscribe it and also share it with your friends. And if you want any comments also, you can post it accordingly. I will improve my teaching. Thank you.